Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back again to another fantastic tutorial video, where today we are doing the long-awaited part 2. Last time we did a tutorial like this, I taught you how to remake Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Well, this time, we are making part 2. How to make from Battlefield. I know, it's crazy. I know all of you have been wanting it. All 2 of you have not been asking me to do this video in the comments section. Can we just clap it up, everyone? Clap it up here for small Battlefield, but it's literally just top platform. Okay, I don't want to waste your guys' time because I know how much you guys hate hearing my voice. So here we go. First thing we want to do. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up Google Chrome, okay? Now, you can use, like, other things like Microsoft Edge, but really, if you're using Microsoft Edge, are you really that cool? The answer is no. So basically, what we want to do is we want to open up Google Chrome, and we want to really quickly look up an image of small Battlefield, okay? Now, we're gonna become Dream here. We gotta do it in, like, 20 seconds, alright? Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yes! There we go, we got our picture of Battlefield. Now, it may not be small Battlefield, but that's a good thing, because small Battlefield, even though it's cool and all, is nowhere near superior to big Battlefield, but not big Battlefield. Anyways, now that we have our perfect image of small Battlefield, we want to right-click on this image, and we want to save image as, okay? Now, I know that might be difficult for some of you, but please just try your best to keep up with me here, okay? So we want to make sure it's a JPEG image, go into File Name, and call it Battlefield, okay? You want to spell it correctly. So, Battlefield, not like that, Battlefield, okay? We're gonna call it Battlefield because I can't spell words. Then we just want to make sure we don't get confused. This is Battlefield, right? We want to make sure it's top platform, okay? We've got Battlefield top Paltesco. What? Okay? We have top Paltesco here. So we want to save the image. Alright, good job, everybody. We now have secured our image. Now, that may have been difficult for some of you, but we're gonna swiftly move on to our next step in just a second here, okay? Okay, guys, so, now that you have got your image downloaded of Top Paltesco, right, you want to open up your drawing app. Now, if you remember from last time, I said to all of you guys, if you are not using the Medibang Paint Pro Edition, right, then you are obviously not a gamer. Okay, here's the thing, I thought that was the best of the best, but I found an even better drawing app than Medibang Paint Pro. I know, it's crazy, I couldn't believe it myself, right? If you want a good drawing app, then you want to use Krita. Alright? Krita is so good, it's got everything you need. You can select stuff, you can delete stuff, hell, you can use it to make top Paltesco from Smash Bros. Ultimate, right? It is that crazy, so I highly recommend you download it. I'll probably leave a link in the description, but knowing me, I won't because I can't remember anything. But anyways, so, now that you have your drawing app open, for me, it's Krita. You want to go into File, just like last time, go into File, okay? Then hit Open, and then you should get a little pop-up at the top left, right? I know you guys probably can't see this, and you can probably just see a mouse, like, having an actual spasm attack, okay? I'm really excited, okay? That's the only reason why the mouse is going so crazy right now. Okay. So, you want to open up your saved image of Battlefield Top Paltesco, okay? It's gotta be named that, and boom, guys! There you go! Look at it. Oh, look at it right there. It's giving you a judging look right now. It is not happy to be here. You know what? I'm sure it'll be so glad to know that see all these other top platforms here? even though this is the top platform, right? It's feeling judged, right? It's being bullied by these two. These two platforms here. Like, how dumb are these platforms? At the same time, like, look at it. It's giving you such a judging look. Obviously, one of you guys out there is not respecting this. Now, let me tell you. If you aren't respecting top platform, right, you can leave. You can get out, okay? This tutorial is only for top platform lovers, okay? Hashtag top platform for Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, alright? Next DLC character. It's gotta be top platform here, okay? Now, what you gotta do, okay? Just to separate top platform, the beautiful top platform, the real deal, right? This thing, this is the real deal, okay? All these other platforms, we don't need them. They're stupid, they're dumb. They can go, like, jump in a hole or something, I don't care. As long as they are out of the picture, okay? Now, we want to get the eraser tool once again, okay? This is like the banisher. The eraser tool is equivalent to the gods, right? It's either going to let you live or it's gonna bring you to death, okay? So, what you want to do is you want to increase God's power, like the size up here. Make it like 198.5, alright? We need to get into specifics. This is how important this is, okay? If you aren't following this step by step, then you're not gonna get a good result like I am going to get, okay? Trust me, I am an expert when it comes to top platform from Battlefield. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, what was I talking about? Oh, yes, okay. So, now we want to get the eraser tool. I'm sure you got that open already. I just want to, okay? I'm going to bring in the mic nice and close for this, okay? All you want to do is just want to slowly erase the outside, okay? You want to make sure that it just very tenderly gets removed, okay? Like, very tenderly. Just start off nice and slow. Make sure it, like, you want to make it seem like you're just erasing the background, okay? You want to get it into a nice false sense of hope before you tear it away and just remove all of that except for top platform. You cannot remove top platform. Everything else, okay, it's gotta go. It's gotta go. Everything has gotta go. Right? Circles, anything that you think might not be related to top platform, it's dead. It's gotta be erased, okay? There you go. There is top platform. But it's not fully finished yet, okay? You want to decrease the size, make it like 37.04 pixels, right? You see like all of the extra little bits around here? Now, last time I did this, okay, I made a really big mistake, okay? I decided to leave the background in. Now, that is a terrible thing. That's a sin against this world, right? That's just so unclean of you to put in, like, the background, okay? So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna learn from my mistakes. And I'm just gonna remove the background, okay? It's like, you know those times whenever you get really lumpy bread? Yeah, like, I'm sure you've definitely had lumpy bread before, right? No one likes lumpy bread. It's disgusting. It's a sin against the world. If you like lumpy bread, then, like, are you seriously, like, okay? But anyways, I'm just trying to make a comparison here, okay? So, just like soft bread, okay? You just want to remove all of this, right? Just like this, okay? And all of the background has now been erased! Let's go! We're almost there, guys, okay? Just stick with me. I know it's tiring. It takes a lot out of you, but you just gotta keep going. Now, the last thing we're gonna do, okay? Control-C and Control-V this baby, okay? See this top platform? Turns out it has the ability to reproduce, okay? This platform is too powerful for our kind, right? Now that we have our second Battlefield platform, right? You're probably wondering, okay, so are we done yet? Of course not! Of course we're not done yet! We're still working here. I mean, we're not gonna be lazy and leave it like this. You gotta make it better, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner right here, and we're just gonna make it big, alright? We're gonna make it big! Now, this is like the variant of normal platform, right? This is normal Battlefield's top platform, and this is big Battlefield's top platform, okay? You want to make sure that this judging eye right here really shows itself, okay? Now, to go one step beyond, right? If you're feeling daring enough, okay? What you can do is you can take this platform, okay? And all we gotta do is just put it up here, okay? These two are now going to mate. They are gonna become husband and wife, or in this case, top Battlefield and bigger top Battlefield. And guess what, guys? I am so happy for them because they just had a child. Look at this. There it is. But here's the problem, right? It didn't gain the sexiness of big top Battlefield platform, nor did it get the slightly less sexiness of middle top Battlefield platform. No. This thing, it was unfortunate. It was small Battlefield's side platform, right? So you want to really shrink this thing down. And there we go, guys. We have finished the top Battlefield platform. Oh my god, that was so incredible. Clap it up, guys. Well done all rounds. High fives, everyone. Good job. Round of applause to you. You made it through this video. Well done. Okay? I am so proud of you. Do you know what would make me even more proud of you, though? If you were to subscribe to me right now. I would totally, completely forget about you. But hey, at least you're subscribed to me. Am I right? But anyways, guys, that was my tutorial on how to make small top Battlefield platform, normal top Battlefield platform, and big top Battlefield platform. Alright? I hope to never see you again here, and I just want you to leave this realm, okay? Anyways, guys, see you never. Goodbye.